In addition to Merit's legacy products of pipe, valves, fittings, and flanges, Merit also carries an offering of next-generation press fittings in carbon, copper, and stainless, known as MeritPress. MeritPress fittings and valves come equipped with a visual indicator press ring, also known as the Viper, which gives you a visual confirmation of a complete press. MeritPress's copper press fittings and valves by Merit Brass are an innovative solution for copper installations. Copper press fittings are the most comprehensive offering for your copper press application with over 350 SKUs. MeritPress also carries copper tubing to complement the copper press line. Please contact our sales team to talk further about that line. Copper press fittings are certified to ICC ES LC 1002 press connection fittings for potable water tube and radiant heating systems, IAPMO ANSI CAN Z1117 press connections, NSF ANSI CAN 61 drinking water system components for health effects, NSF ANSI CAN 372 drinking water system components for lead content. Copper press fittings also meet the following codes and standards: ASME B31.1 power piping, B31.3 process piping, B31.9 building services piping, IPC, IMC, IRC, UPC, and UMC, CPC and CMC, California Plumbing and Mechanical Codes, CDO's Los Angeles Plumbing and Mechanical Codes, Massachusetts Regulation 248 CMR 10.00, Uniform State Plumbing Code, Massachusetts State Building Code 780 CMR 9th edition, Chapter 28. Copper press ball valve certifications include the following: ICC ESLC 1002 press connection fittings for potable water tube and radiant heating systems, IAPMO ANSI CAN Z1157 ball valves, NSF ANSI CAN 61 drinking water system components for health effects, NSF ANSI CAN 372 drinking water system components for lead content. Copper valves also meet the following codes and standards: ICC ESLC 1002 cross connection fittings for potable water tube and radiant heating systems, IAPMO ANSI CAN Z1157 ball valves, NSF ANSI CAN 61 drinking water system components for health effects, NSF ANSI CAN 372 drinking water system components for lead content. These certifications, codes, and standards enable you to streamline your ability to specify and install Merit's copper press offering, known as MeritPress. For more information about our next generation of press fittings and valves, known as MeritPress, available in copper, carbon, and stainless steel, please visit our website at www.meritbrass.com or contact our team today at 800-726-9800.